Hi there, and welcome. In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you one of the most exciting new features in our Beautify theme by Clean Canvas, our powerful and flexible brand section. This feature is perfect for cosmetics, health, and beauty businesses looking to elevate their storefront by showcasing the brands they carry in a visually stunning and user-friendly way. The brand section has been designed with flexibility in mind. Whether you want to display a curated selection of high-end skincare lines, organic wellness labels, or popular beauty favorites, Beautify makes it effortless. You can place this section anywhere on your store, on the homepage, landing pages, or create a full dedicated brands page using our built-in template. The brands feature in Beautify offers two types of powerful display modes. The first is the automatic vendor display. In this mode, Beautify scans all your products and automatically pulls in vendors assigned to them. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach, perfect for fast setup and maintenance. This way, customers can easily filter alphabetically. For example, they can just navigate to D for Dior. Alternatively, they can use the search field to instantly find the brand they're looking for. This makes browsing brands smooth and enjoyable, especially when you carry a wide range of collections. The second method is the custom menu display with brand images. If you are looking for more control, then this second method allows you to manually design a brand's menu, perfect for promoting featured brands or structuring your layout the way you would like it to appear. You can select exactly which brands to showcase, display custom brand logos or promotional imagery, and even override the default collection images for a more polished branded presentation. This is ideal for highlighting luxury cosmetics, exclusive wellness lines, or new arrivals. Now, let's get started on setting it up. Here's how to configure this feature. Firstly, create your collections. Set up a collection for each brand, containing the relevant products. For example, a Kylie Jenner collection might include all lip kits and skincare items from that line. Next, build a menu. Navigate to online store navigation and create a menu. Add top-level headings like A, B, C, and nest your brand collections beneath them. To nest your collection, simply select the top-level menu item and then link that to the hash symbol. This creates an anchor link to that item. Then create another menu item and link it to your chosen collection. Then drag this underneath the appropriate top-level menu item so it sits under that letter. In this example, we use K as the top-level menu item and a collection related to Kylie Jenner products. In the brand section settings, choose Custom Brands menu and select the menu you just created. Now your brands are displayed exactly how you want them to be. Want to go the extra mile and add unique brand logos? In Beautify, you can use Shopify meta fields to link a custom image to each brand collection. To do this, simply copy the meta field key that we have supplied in the settings called theme.brand_logo. Then navigate to the meta fields area by going to Settings and select the Meta Fields and Meta Objects option in your Shopify dashboard. Choose the collection option. As you can see, I have already created one, but here's how to set it up. Just select, add definition, and paste the theme.brand_logo key you copied earlier into the namespace field. It may say it already exists, but that's okay. For the type option, just search and select the file option, and then choose images. Give it a name. And finally, click Save. Next, navigate back to your collections area and open the Kylie Jenner collection. Scroll down the page to the Meta Field section and upload your Kylie Jenner logo. Click Save. Now you can return to the theme editor and preview the section. You will see the Kylie Jenner logo displayed, where previously the default image showed. It is also worth noting that opening the actual collection will still display the standard collection image. This gives you a premium, professional look, perfect for giving your Shopify store that high-end cosmetics and beauty brand appeal. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you love using the brand section in Beautify as much as we loved creating it. If your Shopify store is selling cosmetics, beauty products, fragrances, or wellness products, then the Beautify theme by Clean Canvas is the only theme for you. Remember to subscribe to stay updated on more helpful videos on Beautify. Bye for now.